Hi, I'm Marta McCall. Welcome to my channel. These are the DIYs in this video. Pretty toile napkin rings, a toile wreath set in the feather one from my winter white video, a plaster frame that's super easy. I'm starting to think about Valentine's Day, so here's the first garland, a dramatic lantern, everything in this photo, the Posey vase, the tray, the bottle, and the plaster apple. Here's another look at the Posey. It's cute. Plaster fruit and new ways to stack those candlesticks. Matching Toile coasters to keep or gift. If you like what you see on this channel, and I hope you do, please like, share, tell your friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. Okay, let's go. Be still, my toile heart. Everything here is from the Dollar Tree. You'll need their black and white toile contact paper. If you can't find it, it's available on Amazon. I'll link it below. Pick up the wood hearts in a pack of 5. Get at least 2 and hurry to get them. Crafters love these, and I'd hate for you to miss out if you want them. A roll of linen wired ribbon, a few silver pipe cleaners, and a white boa, which is also available at Amazon if you need to find it. And since the large wood heart is embellished just like the small ones, I include it here. I'm using it as a small tray. Trace around the heart, cut it out. Do cleanup if you like with an X-Acto knife. Use a toothpick to punch through the hole. Did you know that Dollar Tree carries these too? Cut a 4-inch piece of pipe cleaner and thread it through the hole. Make 10 hearts just like this. Fold the wire ribbon in half and attach the hearts. This is the first piece of my Valentine's mantle. I strung the boa behind to add a little oomph. This is how I'm using my heart tray. This toile wreath is the perfect TV watching project. Use the toile contact paper and a smooth wreath form. Cut strips 1 square wide by about 5 or 6 inches, depending on your wreath size. Here's how I attach the last few strips to mine. Peel off the back, center on the front, overlap more on the inside of the wreath. Then repeat and repeat and repeat. You'll be finished in no time. Now add ribbon like this at the top. Use 1 silver pipe cleaner to attach a single heart. I always tie a bow and get it to look good before I attach it with hot glue. Use this sweet wreath in its simple form or add it to the feather wreath we made before. I'll link that video above. I love how this plaster frame turned out. It's not very large, about 5.5 inches square, and I don't think anyone would believe it started out as a $1 plastic frame. Take it apart and use Durham's water putty, which is super inexpensive at Home Depot. Get the smallest 1-pound size for a few dollars. Because it dries pretty fast, make very small amounts at a time, and when your brush starts to stiffen, rinse it thoroughly in water. The consistency should be like yogurt. Dab it on all these projects, smoothing as you go. Most require 3 coats. Let each dry before applying another. I found a charming vintage bird illustration online, printed it off, and framed it up. The plastic fruit are coated in putty too. I use them in bowls or as punctuation marks on tabletop vignettes. I coated candlesticks in putty too. The thing to remember is that the putty is water soluble, so don't make anything out of it that you would need to wash. It will dissolve. The trick to the Posey Vase is that the glass is not glued to the base. I use poster tack to temporarily attach the glass to the candlestick. Don't put the tack on the plaster, but stick a wad on the inside like this. Use the famous glass candlesticks from Dollar Tree. And these dessert glasses, or use thrifted shot glasses. Apply 3 coats of putty, and that's it. Do a little spot sanding for that distressed look. I use the same technique on this lantern. Can you believe it started out as a pink pencil holder? I love how versatile this Toile Tray is. Pick up a round metal tray and spray it ivory. I like Design Master paint a lot because of the finish. Use the Toile contact paper to cover a glass trivet. Set it in the tray and voila! 2 different trays in one. Who doesn't need a set of coasters? I started out with 4 of these from Dollar Tree, or you can use square tiles. I sprayed them all with my favorite white flat paint and accidentally left them in the rain, which meant I had to remove the cork from the back, which as it turns out I had to do anyway. You can do that too by soaking them. I cut the contact paper to size and carefully notched out the corners. I covered the backs with black felt from the Dollar Tree, which I glued on with Elmer's. These napkin rings look great. They'd work for weddings too. Get a package of these silver plastic napkin rings. They have ridges like this. I cut a strip of contact paper to perfectly go between the 2 outside ridges. Love them! And this is the easiest of all. I cut a wide strip of contact paper to fit perfectly between the raised design. There's so much more coming. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you real soon.